Pro-powerflushing. Please take time to browse our website and look at our video. We're on a job today in Bury in Manchester. The customer is in fact the British Gas customer. We've come in up to nearly half price for the power flush. He's got a combination boiler, and the customer had a blockage going to the expansion vessel, and he was recommended a power flush by British Gas. We cover all the Manchester area and around about 60 miles beyond Manchester. I'll just take you in a minute and just show you where we've hooked up to the system to get the best possible flow. Okay. Yeah, we've hooked into the flow and return pipe here. There's the boiler, so we're getting the best possible flow through the 22mm pipes. We've got the big magnet attached as well, just to catch all the metallic iron oxide out of the system. We'll take a look at that later on. If you don't know what a power flush is, we'll just quickly explain the system. Basically, we're tapping into your central heating system just to flush the whole system. We personally tap into the central heating circuit separate from the boiler, and we usually like to flush the boiler completely separate from the system, so we don't push any metal, rust, flakes, particles, magnetite through the boiler or through the pump itself. We think that's the best way. It just makes sense. So basically, power flushing is just flushing through all your system, through all your radiators, turning each radiator off individually, tapping the radiator, vibrating it to get all the debris, all the magnetite, rust particles out of the system. Power flushing 95% of the time works really well. Your system will always be better after a power flush. There are limitations with power flushing. If you've got very badly blocked pipes full of metal, magnetite, power flushing won't always work, but I'd say 95% of the time it does work. Sometimes you do need some repiping doing. We'll probably talk. We can also give you some quotations for your repiping, any repiping you may need doing. But as I said before, that's quite rare really that it does need doing, but sometimes you've got to take that into consideration, that sometimes some systems will need some repiping doing. Anyway, we'll get back to you later on about this job. This job's going okay. We've got a good flow all around the system, so we're not really expecting any problems with this system today. I'm sure it'll be okay, and we'll get back to you later on when we're finished. Okay, thanks. Okay, the job's finished now. All the central heating's back on. We're all up to temperature. So if you need any power flushing work doing, you can contact me on these telephone numbers here. The mobile number is best to get me on, which is 07836 353 985 or 0161 440 9675. We're up to 50% cheaper than British Gas. This won't affect your British Gas contract at all. pH, TDS levels are taken, and we give a certificate to prove to any company such as British Gas or any utility company that the power flush is being done correctly. The inhibitor is added, Sentinel X100 we usually add. So there you are. Just give me a call on them numbers. We cover all the northwest up to 60 miles outside of Stockport. We're based in Stockport, so just give me a call anytime. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.